Train to Busan experience, sobrang bilis lang pala. Isa ba ang Busan, South Korea sa mga balak mong puntahan? So, we took the fastest train in Seoul going to Busan and here's how it went. Hi, I'm Jamila and if you have travel plans in South Korea and gusto mo din isama ang Busan sa travel itinerary mo, panoorin nyo to. Busan is one of the underrated city na dapat nyong puntahan kasi aside from beautiful beaches, mountains, temples, fun activities, and seafoods, this city is really rich in culture and I promise na hindi nyo makakalimutan ang lugar na to. We took the 6:02 AM KTX bullet train from Seoul to Busan and nabook namin to sa Klook for 5,087 pesos per person. I recommend you getting the Korail Pass so you can reserve and choose your seats ahead of time. Just make sure na yung pipiliin nyo is itong Saver and yung Flexible para you can avail unlimited rides for 2 days sa loob na yan ng 10 days. You can also use my promo code para maka-discount and makatipid kayo sa booking nyo sa Klook. Now, kapag pupunta na kayo dito sa Seoul Station, make sure to arrive at least 1 hour before your scheduled time. Kasi talagang on time sila umaalis yung bullet train and baka maiwan kayo. Mabilis lang naman hanapin yung train na sa ticket nyo yung track number kung saan kayo dapat bumaba. And if meron kayong dalang luggage like us na mag-stay for several days sa Busan, dapat early talaga kayo pumunta kasi first come first serve yung mga storage nila dito. Dapat be very demure and mindful din kayo sa seats nyo. Make sure na sa tamang upuan kayo kasi there are chances na naka-reserve din yung ibang seats and may sasakay pa na ibang passenger sa mga next stations. So the ride was very smooth and talagang makakatulog kayo. Hindi nyo mamamalayan ang bilis lang ng biyahe. It took only 2.5 hours and nasa Busan na kami. Pwede rin kayo mag-day tour lang sa Busan. Just make sure to leave Seoul the earliest time and there are locker storage available sa Busan Station. Pwede kayo mag-iwan ng gamit nyo but for us, we'll be staying 3 days sa Busan. So if you want to know more kung ano yung mga ginawa and pinuntahan namin dito sa Busan, make sure to follow me and check nyo na rin yung other South Korea video contents ko that might be helpful for your travel. Again, don't forget to save and redeem na rin yung Klook promo code ko so you can avail discount on your Klook bookings. Bye!